Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on installing a new grease cartridge. So step 1, remove the barrel from the tool, but if there's grease remaining in the cartridge, make sure you pull the rod first. Pull the rod handle out and lock it into place. And then on your grease cartridge, remove the plastic cap and install that end into the barrel. Now remove the pull tab from the cartridge and install that end into the barrel. Fasten it firmly and then release that rod handle. Now purge any trapped air in the flow path. Trapped air prevents the grease gun from dispensing grease properly, so you must loosen that valve on the front of the grease gun and wait until the grease pours out consistently, without any air, and then retighten that valve. Your installation is now complete. And just a quick note, remember if you're using a different type of grease in the grease gun to the one previously used, make sure you purge the hose with any remaining grease so you don't mix up the grease types.